La Garrotxa, the county of the volcanoes and a natural paradise waiting to be discovered, is now just a click away. An intuitive tool that will accompany you as you travel alone or with your family to one of the most exceptional regions in the Iberian Peninsula. Download Garrotxa Cultour and start planning your holiday. Thanks to the fully updated multimedia information it incorporates, this application will provide you with hundreds of ideas of towns and other places of cultural interest to visit. This application automatically geo-references all the sites that you want to visit. Whatever your age, Garrotxa Cultour is the application that you've been searching for. It contains versions of the main content adapted for kids, as well as a number of games that you and your children can have fun learning to play. As an application, Garrotxa Cultour is also very easy to access and use, and there's no need to worry about explaining your trip to your friends, as the application has numerous options for sharing content via links to social media sites. Enjoy the full beauty of the county of La Garrotxa simply by downloading the application Garrotxa Cultour.